These are the Tesla Cybertruck center caps. The company sent these to me so I could check them out. These are really nice items. This is the rose gold colored center cap right here. So you can see it just has a really good contrast from the black rim to the rose gold center cap. These are made very well. I like the fact that they have these diamond designs on here. Just looks really cool. And these are the other ones right here. And then this is the key they give you if you just want to remove it. You just stick the key in there and it just pulls right out. You just put a little bit of pressure on here and you'll get it to pull out. But these take about 30 seconds to install. The company packages them up really nice. Each one of them was in was bubble wrapped, and then it gives you the key in here also. So you'd want to keep this key with you in the center console to make sure if you ever have to remove them while you're on the road, you have this accessible. But this could easily go inside the glove box or in the center console. But again, these are the rose gold color here. These would look really great if the maybe if your car was wrapped in that color. But if you're looking for some contrast, it definitely adds a rose gold colored tint to it. And again, this is it's got some nice cool designs on here, different than the Tesla center caps that are just flat. They don't have any designs on them at all. But again, rose gold color here, Tesla Cybertruck center caps.